Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMSAEKOMARLEY, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I style my high puff. So if you watched my previous video, I was refreshing a wash and go, and that was day 3 hair. So this is day 5 hair, and most of my definition is gone, but I still have some cute little curlies at the ends, so I'll be styling it in a high puff for the next few days until the next time I wash. And I'll just go ahead and fluff my hair out with my pick, and then I'll add some water to get it soft, and it'll be slightly damp. And I'll use 2 brushes. First I'll use my Detangling brush. It's called Tangle Free by Cala. And then I'll go in with a Bristle Brush just to make sure all the hairs are laid flat and smooth. And now my favorite gel ever, Wetline Xtreme Gel. I'll just add a small amount just so that there's a little bit of hold, and this gel makes my edges super shiny, super soft. Now, once I have the shape that I'm going for my high puff, I'll use this string, and this is actually a drawstring from my hoodie. So I'll start it from my neck, wrap it around my hair, tie it, then tie it in the back, and I'll slowly drag it up so that as it goes up, it gets tighter and tighter. And once I'm at a good height that I want, I'll tighten it, and if it's too tight, I'll loosen it up by pulling my hair. And then I'll wrap it around until you cannot see the string anymore, and that is when I will actually knot it. Now for my edges, I'll be using this Edge Control by She Is Balm Beauty. I love this edge control, it has such good hold. And I'll use this rat tail comb to pull out all the hairs that I'm going to be using to style my edges. Now once I pull out all the hairs, I'm going to be stretching them out with this toothbrush that I use for my edges, and I'll just stretch them all out so that when I'm actually swooping, there's no knots and tangles. So now I'll go in with a small amount of the edge control, and I'll just do each swoop. And because I stretched them out previously, it makes for an easy styling, easy swooping. You do not want to put hard waxy edge control on your edges that have tangled because you will rip your hair out. So once that side is done and I like how they look, I'll move on to the other side. And then I'll just run a little bit on my finger, and I'll just put some on the nape of my neck where those little flyaways are and those little hairs that are not long enough to reach in the puff sometimes fall down throughout the day. And I'll brush it up with the Bristle Brush, and then I'll go in with some Wetline Xtreme Gel on a few strands of hair in the puff so it has a little bit more definition. Some are so frizzy that the ends have tangles, so I'll use a comb just to comb out the ends and separate them. And those few extra minutes just to add some more definition to those curls is what makes it pop. And that is how I style my high puff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications because there's another video coming right after this one. I know you guys don't want to miss it. And follow me on my Instagram at IAMSAEKOMARLEY for more updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!